And off the top at 5:30, the usually busy spring housing market in South Florida could be cooling off. There are more homes on the market, and they are listed for a longer period of time. Good evening. I'm Jim Barry.
And I'm Naja Sherman. Thank you for joining us. The question is, who benefits, home buyers or sellers? As CBS News Miami's Buckley reports, now may be the time to buy.
We were looking to buy anywhere in Miami that provided good value, but it's very tough, as you can imagine.
Samuel Tuckerman grew up in Miami, now renting in Bay Harbor, hoping he can afford a house in his hometown with his wife and one-year-old daughter.
We were close to buying around COVID. We decided not to buy, and then that's when the boom happened, so we might have missed our opportunity at that point, but we're still looking.
And he's not alone. Experts say more potential home buyers have been holding out, but the market could be cooling.
It's cooling because there's increased inventory right now also in South Florida. So there's a lot more houses on the market, it's a little more competition.
Andrew Vogel is a loan officer with First Trust Capital. He says houses have been staying on the market longer, about 90 days compared to 60 less than a year ago. He says prices are still high compared to pre-pandemic levels, and mortgage rates are nearly at peak levels right now for the year, hovering around 7% for 30-year fixed rates, up from 5% just a few years ago. He doesn't anticipate a market crash with how high demand is in South Florida, but he says it's still a good time to buy.
If the rates are a little bit higher, you can get in on a house that has a lower price, maybe do a mortgage that would be only for a year or two like that. You could always refinance into a lower rate.
As Tuckerman says he won't be rushing into a new investment.
If the Fed does end up lowering rates, I think that will help. I am worried in Miami that also may increase the home prices, so I really don't know how that's going to play out.
And on the other hand, investors I spoke with say this unique market has been beneficial for them, buying up more than they previously have before. In Miami, Buckley, CBS News, Miami.